In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your WordPress backups using Siteground. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your restore points and how to create a safety snapshot so rolling back is smooth and stress-free. First, open your browser and go to your My Siteground account. Sign in, and from the main dashboard, head to the website section. This is where all your hosted sites are listed. Find the site you want to work with and open its Site Tools. Site Tools is the control panel for that specific website, and it's where Siteground keeps the backup and restore utilities. Inside Site Tools, look to the left-hand menu and choose Security. From there, click Backups. This page is the heart of restoring on Siteground. You'll see your available restore points, including any automated backups your plan provides and any manual backups you've created. Before you restore, it's best practice to create a fresh manual backup. That way, if you don't like the results, you can immediately revert to the exact state you were just in. To create one, type in a clear backup name. Use something descriptive like pre-restore 2026 EO304 or before plugin update so you'll recognize it instantly later. You'll also see how many manual backup slots you have available. SiteGround gives you a limited number, so if you're out of slots, consider deleting an older snapshot you no longer need. Keeping a short, meaningful rotation helps you stay organized without hitting limits. When you're ready, click Create. Don't close the tab while it runs. The process can take a moment depending on your site's size. Once it completes, you'll have a brand new restore point you can roll back to at any time. Now, about restoring. The controls for restoration live on this same backups page. When you need to roll back, you'll choose the snapshot you want and follow the on-screen prompts to restore. You can typically restore everything, or target files or the database depending on what went wrong. Remember that a restore overwrites changes made after the backup, so schedule it during low traffic periods and communicate with anyone managing content. After a restore, give your site a quick check. Browse a few key pages, log into WordPress, and if you use caching, clear it so visitors see the updated version right away. That's it. You've navigated to Site Tools, opened the Backups area, created a name manual snapshot, and you know where to trigger a restore when you need it. With these steps, recovering from problems or safely undoing changes is fast, predictable, and under your control.